Hello dear students, today we are going to actually see the trick to solve the numerical on metal deficiency defects. Those questions are being asked in the JEE advanced, JEE mains, etc. or NEET examinations, and you will be able to solve such type of numerical, though that's considered to be a difficult numerical, but you will be able to solve that numerical within a minute only. See, I will show you two methods actually. The first method that will be involving a trick, and second method that will be involving an actual method. Suppose you will be having a question like this. You have a metal oxide where the stoichiometry is 0.96 and O, and you are being asked that this metal, it exists in two oxidation states. That means it exists as metal plus 2 and it exists as metal plus 3, and you will be asked to calculate the concentration of this M plus 3 or to calculate the concentration of M plus 2. This will be the question. You have to calculate the percentage of M plus 3 ions or the percentage of M plus 2 ions. So what you will do immediately, first of all you will see, आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे, this will be out of 100, this is 96 metal ions and this is 100. Immediately you will find the difference between the two, and the difference will be equal to 4. Let you call this as difference. This will be your step number 1. पहले आप ये करेंगे. दूसरा आप क्या काम करेंगे, you have to calculate the number of M plus 3 ions. Number of M plus 3 ions. This will be directly equal to, directly आप इसको पुट कर सकते हैं. इन दोनों में से लोअर ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कौन है? लोअर ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट divided by change in oxidation state, means oxidation state is 3 and 2. The change between them will be 3 minus 2. Change in oxidation state multiplied by this difference. This difference you have to multiply. Simple. So in this case, if you have to calculate the number of M plus 3 ions, number of M plus 3 ions, that will be equal to, lower oxidation state is 2, change in oxidation state is 3 minus 2, multiplied by the difference is 4, and you will be able to solve it. This will be 8. So that means there are 8 M plus 3 ions out of 96 total metal ions. Therefore, you can calculate the percentage of M plus 3. That will be equal to 8. ये हैं 8. Total में metal ions कितने हैं? 96 into 100. And this way you will be easily able to find the answer of this question. You can calculate the answer of this question. And if you have to calculate the percentage of M plus 2 ions now you know, out of 96 atoms, metal plus 3 ions, those are equal to 8. So number of M plus 2 ions आप पहले calculate करेंगे. That will be equal to total में 96 है, माइनस जो आपके पास आएगा that will be 8, तो M plus 3 ions है. टोटल में कितने बचे? That will be 88 number of ions जो है वो वहाँ पे M plus 2 ions हैं. Therefore percentage M plus 2 अगर आपको निकालना होगा, that will be equal to 88 divided by 96 into 100. So you can find the answer of this question. So this will be easy for you now. So if within 1 minute you will be easily able to solve this question. Let me give an example. Suppose आपके पास एक question आता है, आपके पास ये है FeO, Fe 0.93O. 1 मिनट में आप इसको सॉल्व कर पाएंगे, देख लीजिए कैसे. सो दिस विल बी, आपको वहाँ पे दिया गया है, दिस आयरन जो है it exists in plus 2 and plus 3 oxidation state, and calculate the concentration of, या calculate the percentage of Fe plus 3. So immediately you will find the Fe plus 3 कितने हैं ये, that will be equal lower oxidation state means 2, divided by change in oxidation state is 1, multiplied by the difference 93 minus 100, that will be 7. So this will be 14 number of ions will be there as the Fe plus 3 ions. So percentage Fe plus 3, that will be equal to 14 divided by 93 total में metal ions है, multiplied by 100, and this will be your answer. Similarly, you can calculate the number of Fe plus 2 ions. अगर वो भी पूछा गया होगा, Fe plus 2 ions, that will be equal to total में 93 है, minus 14 है, that will be equal to, इसको solve करने के बाद आप इसको लिख सकते हैं so this will be 79. So percentage Fe plus 2, that will be equal to 79 divided by 93 into 100. So you will be easily able to calculate the percentage of both Fe plus 2 as well as Fe plus 3. क्वेश्चन में पूछा जाता है only Fe plus 3 और Fe plus 2. अब आपके लिए क्वेश्चन है, आप इसको निकाल सकते हैं, Ni 0.98 O, while the nickel exists in 2 oxidation state, nickel plus 2 and nickel plus 3. वहाँ पे दिया गया होगा ये किस किस ऑक्सीजन स्टेट में एग्जिस्ट होता है. कैलकुलेट द परसेंटेज ऑफ Ni plus 3. So I hope this method will be very helpful for you to solve these type of questions. Thank you.